Good morning. It's another beautiful day in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. This is Kirk from Coeur d'Alene Aviation Maintenance. Wanted to take you guys along for a ride in our new to us Cessna 172 SP. It's got the Lycoming IO360 at 180 horsepower. Aircraft cruise out about 115 knots. Lean it back with the lean assist on the Garmin G1000 flight deck to about 8.5 gallons per hour. Excellent instrument trainer with the Garmin G1000 flight deck. Also has the Bendix King Cap 140 autopilot. You can load and approach. It'll has altitude pre-select in it. Has the Garmin GI 275 backup attitude indicator, as well as a Garmin GTX 345 transponder, so it shows you your active traffic. Let's jump in, take you guys along for a ride here and show you what it's all about.
Coeur d'Alene traffic, back 1327 November, midfield left downwind 20 full stop Coeur d'Alene. Coeur d'Alene traffic, stock 1327 November is 3 to the south, 3,900 for 4,500 will be southbound over the west shore of the lake, Coeur d'Alene traffic. We're in our new to us 2006 Cessna 172 SP. That's the Lycoming IO360 four-cylinder at 100
traffic for 2467
horsepower.
Is on the downwind for 20.
Excellent instrument trainer with the Garmin G1000 flight deck. Cessna 172s have been a trainer for the last 50 years. The 150 was a great training aircraft. Just more useful load, more speed, more comfort, more room in the 172. So it's a great addition to our fleet. We have our Cessna 172M with 150 horse Lycoming, and then we have our two brand new Techno P2008s. Put another video on those in the future to showcase those, but for right now, today's all about the new to us 2006 Cessna 172 SP. This is the sign of a good airplane. It's hands off, just autopilot's not set, just cruising right along, 4,500 feet, doesn't roll, doesn't do anything. Flies straight and true, 114 knots now. One of the nice things on this Cessna 172 is it's got the Garmin GTX 345 transponder, which is operating in the background here, so we've got all of our traffic and things like that. You see right here, we've got our lean assist. We're running a little cool right now, but we're only at 8.2 gallons an hour at 116 knots true right now, so it's a nice cross-country traveler. Coeur d'Alene traffic, Sky 27 November's turn final, 20 full stop Coeur d'Alene.
Thank you guys for coming along for the ride in our Cessna 172 SP. It's on our flight circle, available for rental. You can find us at www.flycoe.com. Thanks for coming along.